How to sync Brave browser across your devices. So if you want to sync your Brave browser across your devices, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Brave browser. Once you open up your browser, now you just need simply go with the bottom right, which has that three dots icon. And from here, you need to tap on settings. Now under settings, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of sync. Tap on sync and then tap on scan or enter sync code if you have a code, or you can go with start a new sync chain. So once you go with start a new sync chain, then it will give you a code. So once you have the code on your screen on your mobile device, you just need simply open up your laptop or your PC and then open up your Brave browser on your PC. After opening your Brave browser on your PC, you can go with the same process, which is you can go with the three dots and go with settings, or you will also have sync option. You just need simply go with the sync, and under sync you will again have the same options. So from there you need to go with I have a code, and then you need to enter the code that you have received on your Brave browser on your mobile. So you can just simply go with the code that you've received on your mobile sync option, and after entering that code on your PC, your mobile phone and your PC will be connected or synced. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.